All right, we're going to go over real quick the touchscreen controls to the Triad screw bridge. If you look at the home screen here, one of the first things you're going to do is you got this home, you home the carriage. The carriage will actually move back and forth, and at zero, it finds it zero. It knows at this point if it's going to move to 3 inches on center, 4 inches on center, 6 inches on center, what have you, it knows where to start zero. So that's a really, really, really neat feature. The home zero, those types of good things. Now, down over here, you'll see the home carriage, you'll see field spacing. You can type that in accordingly, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 12. Same with the seam. Gantry home sensor, that it kind of tells you where the machine's at. It's letting you know spacing home sensors on. It's letting you know where the bridge is at. It's ready to produce. We're talking about screw timers. If you notice when you're running the screw guns and they come down and they're not burying the screws far enough, go ahead and touch the old touchscreen control, move it up a little bit, and that's going to add time to the screw timing system as the screw guns are dropping down and fastening off the panel. Up here you'll see machine status. It's telling you it's enabled, it's ready to go. Instructions underneath it telling you what to do next. Press sequence to raise and lower the carriage. Basically right now I push the start button, we're going to fire up and it's going to run down. So I'll go back and we'll do as such. So at this point, I have it set on, I believe 4 inches on center, maybe 3 inches on center. And as you can see down here, we got a shift speed. That's actually to increase the speed of the toolbar moving back and forth to find that sweet spot. So that gives you the versatility and ability to adjust those speeds. Joystick gantry drive. I don't have this sitting on a table currently, but that will actually allow you to move the bridge forward and backwards with pushing the button there. It's auto return. The second I hit this, you walk away from it and the bridge will actually roll back to the home position at the start in or the finish in of the Gen 3 or Gen 2 sheathing station. So really neat little feature there. We'll also talk about bridge speed. This is how fast the bridge is going to travel left or right. Some of the options that we add in here, we love this ability in case you had like some kind of material bridge option where you want to drop off sheathing or something like that. You got that versatility and control of the bridge speed. You don't want the guys running. Well, you probably do, but I'm with you. Tool detection. I have tool detection off right there, and basically what that does, that gives me the ability to shut certain tools on and off and run it in, more of a manual mode, if you will. You guys are going to notice that you're going to have it on, and the little sensors are the ones that are lit up green, is telling you that there's material present underneath the screw gun, and they're ready to screw the panel off. And I'll go back to the setup mode, and you'll see a few things here. As you can see, the carriage is homing back. It's going to go find home again. Same thing. You got gantry home sensor. You'll see it now. It's on. That means the gantry, the toolbar is what I call it, is in home position. It's ready to fasten your panel. If you want to change your seam space, it's literally a touch of a button. You want to change your field, just touch a button. Whatever you lighten up is going to be your spacing on field as well as seam. You have that wide range from 3 to 12 inches.